how to check Wi-Fi speed. So basically, in order to check your Wi-Fi speed, open the web browser on your computer or smartphone and go to a speed testing websites like speedtest.net or fast.com using your web browser. These websites provide a simple interface to test your internet speed. So firstly, let's go to the speedtest.net. Now inside speedtest.net, all you have to do is click on the Go or Start button on the website to begin the speed test. The website will measure your download and upload speeds usually in Mbps, megabits per second. So you can do same with fast.com as well. All you have to do is follow the same process. Now once the test completes, the websites will display your download speed, upload speed and sometimes ping as well. Note down the results to understand your current Wi-Fi speed. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.